God, oh, this one is gone. I'm not here.
I just fashion.
Yes.
I beg, what will tell them? Say dread no be gone now.
Jesus like good dread, Joseph. Jesus like dread.
Jesus, which Jesus be that one? Jesus for Ijebu there, I be with Jesus.
Take a look at Samson issue now.
Samson.
Oh.
Welcome to FClick TV, your entertainment plug. Please like and subscribe, and click the bell icon to get new videos updates.
In fact, I'm very happy that this protest is going on. I want this tension to remain amidst the Nigerian youths. It's a form of hope to us, to make us understand that we can make anything we want happen in this country of ours. We can make Nigeria the Nigeria of our dreams. That's what I think.
Okay. Finally, our government has failed us because what we're experiencing right now is not ideal in any way. But I believe our voices will be heard if we put in more pressure, because we can't continue to live like this. This is not living at all. So the best we can do is continue what we are doing. I'm really happy because Nigerian youth can stand up for what they want. This is the first time. And they never expected this, and then we have lots of things in stock for them. We are not stopping now. This is not the time to stop. It's very bad that we are begging that they should end SARS, and then the same SARS are killing us during the protest where we have no armed weapons. So I'm happy that this is happening, and I'm ready to give it my all till we hear something positive.
Beautiful. So collectively we say end what?
End SARS.
End police what?
End police brutality.
Thank you so much for coming. God bless you. Bye.
Okay, well, in 2019, the Inspector General of Police said SARS has been disbanded.
Right.
2018, the Inspector General of Police said SARS has been disbanded. So I feel the youth are actually not trusting the people at the power. They feel the disbandment of SARS is actually a mere word. They're not taking action. So that's why people are still protesting. People are not ending the protest.
Is it our fault that we don't trust the government? Is that our fault?
Well, it's not our fault. It's what they've actually done repeatedly. A lot of times they said a lot of things and they don't take action. So that's why people...
What's going on here? Why are you here? What's going on?
We are all here to end SARS. This end SARS protest at Mayfair and about. So we are here to end SARS.
But why do we have to end SARS particularly? What's going on? I thought they said they put a ban on it or something. What happened?
Well, those guys, we've been ending SARS since 2017. We don't know up to is 2017 now.
Wow.
And this is 2020, and up to now they have not ended it. So I think this is the time for the youth to come out, and it's time for the youth to end the SARS by force.
So far so good. The youth have been doing well. How do you feel about this?
Yeah, I think it's a good process. It's actually a good process. That is a nice process because there's a progress. As in so far almost all over the states in Nigeria there has been progress, and
this is our lifestyle. Why will you be youth? You can't experience a good lifestyle, a good dressing lifestyle that you want. Why can't you dress the way you like? You don't even have to try to control what I wear, or tell me that this is what I'm wearing makes me a criminal. How? This is our clothing. This is what we desire to wear. This is how we choose to look like. We don't choose to look like we are not living good. We don't need to look like farmers. I'm not saying farmers are bad, but I'm just saying like you are a youth.
So a farmer don't look like a farmer.
Yes. So this is what I am. This is my true self. Why will I be disguising in my city, in my country, that I have to be free?
People have been consistently killed. People have been consistently faced by police brutality, and we feel like it is high time for our voice to be heard. The time don't reach where people gas sabi say we know they sleep, say we dey on point, we dey gallant, and that is why we are all here. We are here to pass a message across that we are not fools, and the audio ban, we know that it is not real. What we want is an implementation of the 5 demands that we have agreed on, which is number 1, release of all people that have been unlawfully arrested. 2, we also want families of people that have lost their lives or faced police brutality to be compensated. 3, we need a reform. We need a restructure. We do not want SARS to be reformed. We need an end, but we need a reform for the police itself, because part of the reform for police is the ending of SARS, because SARS is a part of the Nigerian police force. So exactly, so that's part of the reform for police, but the part of reform is ending of SARS. Then 4thly, we need an independent body to psycho-evaluate people that have been taken in to join SARS, because one of the requirements is even to be an ex-convict. I don't know how that is. Yes, one of the requirements to be a SARS official is to be an ex-convict.
SARS, I go for SARS. Ẹ̀yin làwọn ń jẹ́ là ń gbé ń gbòòrò. So àwọn gan ṣe SARS, àwọn gan Yahoo. So
Talk matter say the IGP is being Ronaldic and Maradonic in his approach towards the end of the SARS. In fact, he is even further compounding the issue that the students themselves, the youth themselves, the Nigerian people, they are saying an end to SARS, and they are saying we are not going back. There's no backing down.
Why are we here? What is going on in Nigeria? I'm confused. I'm even looking at my head like this because gunshot fit come from anywhere like this. I beg. What in they saw?
As confused as you are, it's also the same way I'm confused. Practically, me too, I'm confused because I don't know the meaning of dissolve. They said end something, end it. When they say end, they are trying to tell you that every officer in charge of that unit or that is in that unit means they should go home because they are ex-convicts. How will you give ex-convicts guns? No, ammunition to face innocent citizens, and they will start extorting those innocent citizens if they don't give them money. Why? No, undo me. No, it's the simple truth.
Mr. Speaker, what do you have to say to this?
Okay, as regards the recurring issue of police brutality, we are here to on a peaceful protest to end police brutality and end SARS. As we can see, we are great Ife students with a lot of intellectual capability, and you could see this is very peaceful, but we are seeing that this situation is very appalling, and we can see that the situation is very recurring. So we want our government to be very, very proactive. We want to end SARS. We want them to end SARS with immediate effect, with an impelling alacrity. We say end SARS. That is my own take on this.
We don't tire. Then they kill us. We don't tire.
I swear, I get your point because one man down and everybody down. Yesterday my heart bled. Like wetin dey sup? She then talk say they no end this SARS. Wetin happen?
We are surprised though. Buhari just dey scam us. IGP dey scam us. They are where they disguise.
Kosoyo's okay. I beg now. What are we just saying? End what?
End SARS.
End police what?
End police.
That is why we both come out as a Nigerian, as student that we are. We don't want this again, and that is exactly what we are still craving for.
Bro, Alpha, what is your reason?
To me, nobody is a monopoly of violence. This SARS agency under the Nigeria police have been a very big threat to the Nigeria youth in particular. They've been extorting us, harassing us. When they don't even say anything on us, when they don't see we are criminals, they still demand for money. All I just see is that they just want to make money from people working. For hard-working people, they just want to extort them, make money from them. They own a lot of things. They have a lot of establishment. Where do they get these monies from? To extortation. That's why we are telling the government to increase their salary.
Do you think that we are just having youthful exuberance, or what do you think about SARS? Tell us.
We are just doing the right thing. The norms, what should be going on right now, that's what we are doing. And it's still going to get bigger than this. Why? Because over the years, we have always been telling the government to listen to us. But it looks like their ears are pinning them. In fact, it looks like they are not even listening to us at all. This time, they are going to have to feel it. They are going to have to feel what we are feeling. For the past 1 week, we have been clamoring that they should end SARS. Upon that, they are still killing us. They are killing. Right now, we are hearing that about 12 people have been killed already. And so that means that they can't listen to us. They are only selfish.
And nobody knows if you take that right come up for us. This country bad. And I don't even need to tell you anything. Just look at the community for our back here. You go know say the country bad. Lights no day, see the roads. Popper, the country bad. We no even going to fight, say, take this country, may you not give us road, no not give us light. We just want to live. We just want to be alive. We are just fighting for our life. And I think any sensible country should be able to give its citizens that. At least, at very least, they owe us this. So I that's why I'm here outside here to solidarize.
Talk of doing other thing. Now who live?
Now they talk about school safe, you understand? Underfunding of education is there. Bad roads. Our roads are dead then, you understand? They're very bad. Bad electric, everything, nothing is working, you understand? So we have to actually just start from here, and this is a good point because this is like something that affects everyone. So along the line, I feel it is very nice for Nigerians to actually incorporate a lot of other demands. Underfunding of education is there. Minimum wage is still very small, less than $100 for a minimum wage. It's still very small, you understand? So, but this is just like a very good starting point, I think. Okay. Yes.
If we're not going to be successful with this protest, there won't be as much people in different parts of the world like this. The government are already feeling the heat. The moment youths continue like this, the moment fathers, mothers join this protest against SARS, police brutality, and also for them to reform the police NG, the government have no other choice than to listen to the people because the power belongs to the people.
What says that it is the system that is our problem. It is not as if it is the people. It is that system, and we want to correct the system. That system of extortion, that system of bribery on our major roads. If you are traveling to Lagos, before you get to Lagos, you see several police checkpoints. They are collecting money publicly. It is bad. It tells bad of us. That is a federal road that every Nigerian are using, every commuter use every day. So it is the system that is bad. Corruption is something that is recognized by the police system. So it is a corrupt part of them that is within their system, and they need to work better. They need to enforce laws that will be practical, laws that they would know, okay, these laws are in place.
Talking about end SARS or something like that. When we are talking about SARS, we are talking about police. Police are animal already.
Exactly.
Brutality is not a good thing. We already know that one. Nigeria government, they are the one that is spoiling our.
But bro, no be our fault now. Why you say carry gun for head? No be jet for head with this. Now gone. Now gone now. If SARS see you like this, say SARS when they see gun.
Wait. I don't have right to dress the way I like or to do the hairstyle.
I know be SARS now, but you get like 50 guns for your head.
No, this one will be good though. This one will be good.
I just fashion.
Yes.
I beg one will tell them say dread no be gone now.
Jesus like dread, Joseph. Jesus like dread.
Jesus, which Jesus be that one? Jesus for Ijebu there, be with Jesus.
Take a look at Samson issue now.
Samson.
If Jesus is not like dread, Samson will not have it now. Isn't it?
I get your point. You sabi oh. You sabi.
Thank you for watching our videos. If you're not a subscriber yet, kindly click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to get notified whenever we release a new video. Thank you.